atomic number 103 to 118 trick is last two digits of atomic number is equal to group number. From where to where? Atomic number 103 to 118. 103 element is lawrencium, 118 is the Arganson. For example 115 element atomic number given as 115. What is its group number? Last two digits are 15. Therefore group 15